Okay, kiddies, hello. So now, today, what we're going to review or look at, here's what we're going to look at today. We're going to look at magnetic phone case, cell phone case. So what I have here is a Samsung J3, and oh man, I need to get a case for this thing, so because I don't want to drop it, and I just want to keep it in good condition. As you can see, this is pretty well worn down. I've had this for a while. It turned out to be a pretty good phone, the Samsung J3. So anyway, I said, well, let me go and go online and look for a case for this thing, because I don't want to mess it up any more than what it is. So then I figured, okay, let me go online and look. And so I started looking online, and then I found this one. I said, let me get a magnetic case. I've never had one, and I want a wallet case too. So what it is, it's a magnetic wallet case. On this particular item right here, it's got a place to put, a wallet. It has like a wallet. That's why they call it a wallet case. You can put credit cards in here, your driver's license or whatever. Not a lot, but so you can put like 2 or 3 important ones on here, like your driver's license and things like that. And you can put a little bit of change in there, some dollar bills. Just real simple, so you don't have to carry a big fat wallet. In emergency, you can just grab this, and your phone will be on there too. So that's what's good about it. This particular one is made for the J3, just like it says right there, the Samsung J3, which is basically what I have. This particular one is by a company they call themselves Wow. It's a Wow case, but there's a bunch of different ones. So and like I said, it's called a wallet case. So that's what it came in. And so here's the case itself right here. It's pretty handy. I mean, it was very inexpensive, so it's the quality could be better, but for the price and for what it does, it's fine. Like I said, it's magnetic, so you can see there's a back right here that comes off, and it's magnetic. It sticks to the back of this thing here, like that. So that's what happens. It sticks back there. See, you can see it, and it sticks back there. So anyway, so let's see if it fits in my phone. So here's my phone. I think I could take this off, and let's see. Yeah, it's for the right model, because it's got where the thing is for the camera. It's got cutouts for the camera and cutouts for the flash, in case I wanted to use the flash or the flashlight. So let's put this thing in here. Usually these cases, they'll fit in there pretty snug, and they're supposed to. So there, it fits in really good. So, and it's got your cutouts for your switches, your volume switches, or whatever, or your headphones down here. So it's pretty well made for this unit right here, which is pretty good. And then there's your things for your wallets. So if you want to put in some credit card, driver's license, or whatever, it's good for that. So there you go, and it goes right on there. Let's see. Yeah, see, the case sticks right on there. Sticks right on there. It doesn't fall off. It's pretty sturdy, So the only thing I didn't like about this is that it's sometimes if you're not careful, it'll flip off and it'll fall off. Or if you get the ones with the built-in, where the caddy is built in here and doesn't come off, it'll stay in there pretty sturdy. But sometimes you just want to grab the phone, not have to grab your whole thing, and that's what this is good for. You can grab it separately from it, and then when you want to put it away, it just clamps right back on there. Pull the cover, and it's got like a little snap-on thing, which is pretty good. Yeah, it's a pretty good little cover. It's not great, but it works good for what it is. And the back of it is kind of like leather right here too, so it's got a magnet right in the leather. So it just picks it up pretty good, So let's see. I'm gonna try and put let's put a card in there and see if it works. See if it it actually works with this. Okay. A regular credit card, if it goes. Yep, there it is. And it shuts down pretty good. You know, of course it only has one credit card, but I don't think it's meant for a whole bunch, you know. If you have just one credit card there, it's fine. That's it, and then you can just take it out, use it. So it works pretty good. It works pretty good. It works. Put the card in, take it out, or you can put it in the back slot down there. So it's got two different slots, one for the front, one for the back. You can put dollar bills back there or whatever you want. Let's see, so we'll put that there. And let's see, let me see if I can get a dollar bill in there and see what it's like. Let's see. We'll get some money in here. And like I said, I don't think it holds very much, you know. But you kind of have to do it since, oh no, see, it's got like a little pouch back here for your dollar bills. So we'll put a dollar bill back here, right where the little pouch is there. And with $1, yeah, it's fine. So I have 2, 3, 4. Let's put 4 bills in there and see if it works. So we're gonna do there. That's where it starts getting a little thick. See, when it starts getting, see how it doesn't close right there? It starts getting a little thick, but you got this little clamp in, which is pretty cool because a lot of them don't have this thing. They just kind of like, you know, but this has an actual clamp where it clamps it down. So that fits good. Let's see if we can get 2 more bills in there. And I'll stick this in here. So you can see it's starting to get a little cramped. And the more credit cards you have in there, the more cramped they'll get, even more cramped than what it is. So now we got, see, now it really stays open. But no problem, we got the handy clip-on thing right there. So that works pretty good. Anyway, so that's how this thing works. It's it's not perfect, but look at that, it does protect your phone. And you can keep your money in there. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bills in here. And it was still able to close. You could probably fit like another 2 in there. And then after that it'll get tight. And then I have 1 credit card. So if you have, you know, more than 1 card, of course, it starts getting pretty cramped. But I think if you put like 2 cards and maybe 5 or 6 bills, you should be fine. That's really what it's meant for. It's not to be a heavy-duty wallet. Just for convenience. Alright? Hope you folks like it.